everybody doing today? Why do I say everybody? It's like, if you happen upon this video, this is not financial advice. Basically, I was asked a question a while back by a family member, and the family member wanted to know, hey, could you give me some advice on trading? What do you do? Well, basically, that's really hard to do, to just be able to give information and have the person understand what's going on. So it's because it's pretty much like an opportunity. When you see an opportunity, you go for it. So this is just easier for me to explain stuff. Okay, so right now I'm looking at the S&P 500, SPY or SPX. This is like tech, okay? This is tech dominated, and it's at 6,152.75. No, sorry, 60 right now. Um, I have it set for Bollinger Bands, so this would be the low, meaning undersold, and this is oversold. And these are candlesticks. So basically, I go off of this, and I go off of the SPDR ETF, which is this is a be called an indice. This would be like the core, and then this would be a sub off of it, or an ETF, exchange traded fund. So the exchange traded fund, SPY ETF, is one of the higher paying ETFs across the board. That's just the way it is. You make money off of it. Um, you put your money in there, and over time, they say on average, year over year, it's about 15% or higher return. So, yeah. Well, right now, I'm seeing an opportunity overall with the market, because overall the market is declining. So, what does that mean? So, when I see a market declining, I go into what's called trying to capture that negative downward trend. I do that by purchasing another ETF, exchange traded fund, which is called the SQQQ. It's an inverse leverage stock, which means when the market goes down, then that particular stock goes up. So I did an increase, or what's the word? What's the specific word? I bought more shares. Basically, I bought more shares. Okay. I increased into that SQQQ ETF in anticipation that the market's going to crash. The downside to that is that there's a cost. It's 0.99%. It's a short-term investment, so it's something you don't want to hold on to too long. Like usually from one day to another, depending on the type of market or the type of investment brokerage you have. Um, Most of you people that are coming upon this are either going to be day traders or just barely entering the market, or maybe you have long-term investment. So this SQQQ is not something that you would hold on to and say anything longer than a week. That's like insane to do. So that's just my take on the market today. And it is the 20th of February. So With that said, this is fine. This is not financial advice. Don't do what I say. This is just for a family member. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I post different stuff. At some point, I'm going to be putting some UFO stuff up there. Have a great day. Goodbye.